How to fix Snapchat login error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat login error on Android phone. First, open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and here click apps again, and now just type here Snapchat, or you can just scroll down until you find it, and here is it. Click on it and first click here for stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click data usage and allow mobile data here, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.